Look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Sierra 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT Preferred Equipment Group, Summit Light, Dark Titanium Light Titanium, Leather Appointed Front Seat Trim, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, SLT convenience package, tires, LT 265/70 R18E all-terrain, Blackwall, rear vision camera, LPO, all-weather floor mats, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval and the suspension package. Off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.